Welcome back to day 2 of my 30-day English speaking series. Today I want to talk about a very common problem that almost everyone faces while learning English. And that problem is fear of making mistakes. Most of the people do not stay silent because they don't know English. They stay silent because they are afraid of speaking wrong English. If you feel the same, this video is especially for you. You know what usually happens? A sentence comes into our mind. We start checking grammar, then vocabulary, then pronunciation. And by the moment we are ready to speak, the moment is already gone. Does this sound familiar? We are not afraid of speaking English. We are afraid of people's reactions. What if they laugh? What if they judge me? What if they think I am not smart? So instead of speaking wrong English, we choose to speak nothing. Now let me break a big myth. Many people think first I should learn perfect English, then I will speak. This is completely wrong. You learn speaking by speaking, not by waiting. Think about a child. A child makes hundreds of mistakes while speaking, but no one laughs. That is why the child becomes fluent. Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem. Another big reason for fear is comparison. We compare ourselves with fluent speakers, confident speakers, people who speak fast. But we forget one thing, they didn't start fluent, they became fluent by making mistakes. You are comparing their chapter 20 with your chapter 1. That's unfair to you. Let me say something clearly. Nobody is waiting to judge your English. Everyone is busy with their own life. And even if someone judges you, that judgment doesn't pay your bills, doesn't improve your life, and doesn't stop your growth. But silence does. Let me share some simple tips. Nothing complicated. First, focus on the message, not grammar. If the other person understands you, you are doing great. Second, slow down. Speaking slowly makes you sound confident. Third, say to yourself, it's okay to be wrong. This mindset changes everything. Fourth, fear reduces only with practice. Even 10 minutes daily is enough. Let me end with this thought. People who judge you will forget your mistakes, but you will remember your progress. Speak today, make mistakes today, improve tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Keep speaking.